Yeah, Swano Mick here. Listen to these, they're called bellbirds. And I don't know if it will work well enough. They move around a lot. That sound absolutely beautiful. Little green bird, only small. They'd be about the size of a swallow, wouldn't they? About the size of a swallow. I'd never seen one until this morning. There's a lot of activity here with them. I just thought I'd video it. There's one right there. Oh, you're probably not gonna, yeah, see him just move. Yeah, it's only small. I've never seen one. Oh, look at him, little beak going. Yellow beak. There he is. Right there. He's gone. Well, there he is. He's into the stringy bark. Look at him. Beautiful. So yellow beak, little pinky orangey legs. Never seen one until this morning. Heard plenty. They're prolific here, this spot. He's calling out. Green with a yellow breast, light yellow breast, yellow beak. He's gone. There, oh, just heaps here. Heap over in that tree. I'm going to leave that. Swano Mick out. He's all have a lovely day.